ఫోటో అయితే తిరుగు
చిన్న
మిమ్మల్ని అన్న
Let's wave goodbye to everyone and head off on our adventure. I wonder what we'll see today. Cameras at the ready, eyes peeled, let's go! Where did I leave my camera? Oh look, over on the right, another daring adventurer is heading off on her own journey. Those offers are just picture perfect. Oh, and I found my camera, just in time. Oh no, that's just my natural. Goodness, I found my camera. Those monkeys are causing mayhem. They'll make great photos for us.
అయ్యో ట్రైన్ స్టేషన్ దగ్గరనే ఉన్నాం మీకు ఇక్కడ
I fixed my camera. We still have so much to see and award-winning photos to take. That big brick trophy has my name on it, thanks to you.
చెప్పిన
A picture of Mayor Fled would surely be an award winner. Or perhaps we can take a snap of our diamonds up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wave to the postcards.
సైడ్ కూడా పడుకో
How cheeky. It looks like someone else is trying to take our photo and with a big trophy for themselves.
Yes.
Okay, I'm a staying focused. I made a photography joke. Get it? Do you see the haunted house over on the right? It looks like Lord Vampire's party guests are already arriving. We must be ready for any strange or creepy surprises.
వాళ్ళకి వేవ్ చేయి హ్యాండ్ వేవ్ చేయి అందరూ వేవ్ చేస్తున్నారు
something you don't see every day. And did I? Yes,
Right side
I
of the
finally got a photo.
Venus flytrap.
Yeah.
Surely ours. I can see it. And they are being nice. Everyone wanting their autograph. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much. I really couldn't have done it without your help. And thank you for travelling today on the LEGOLAND Express.
Station and come to a conclusion.